Industrial manufacturing company, shipbuilding, ship repair. Shipbuilding, ship repair is highly qualified staff, our own production, close cooperation with leading companies in the field of shipbuilding and production of marine equipment. Cooperating with world leaders, shipbuilding, ship repair has a wide range of offered products: cargo lifting, anchor mooring, and deck machinery, boilers, life-saving appliances, ship lifts, pumps, accommodation ladders, and much more. Design Bureau SSSR LLC performs the designing of working construction documentation and technological documentation for marine equipment, accompanying its production and test performances. We have a test bench for bridge and gantry cranes, pump units, launching recovery appliances. It is planned to build a test bench for ship lifts and accommodation ladders. Service Center carries out supervision works, commissioning on the customer's vessels, provides after-sales and warranty maintenance throughout the whole service lifetime of supplied equipment and component parts. Production of marine equipment is carried out at our own production areas in accordance with the requirements of Russian Maritime Register of Shipping, Russian River Register, Gostechnadzor, and military acceptance of Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation, as well as customers' requirements. We offer the shortest production time, competent performance of the order by highly qualified specialists. Shipbuilding Ship Repair is the official and exclusive representative of foreign companies, among which there are Sormek SRL, Navalympianti Spa, BBS Division SRL, and many others. Our clients trust us. That is demonstrated by numerous positive reviews and certificates. Certificate of Conformity IQS International Quality Standard. Certificate of Participation in the Shipbuilding Cluster of the Nizhny Novgorod region. Certificate of Participation of the Industry Shipbuilding Association. Russian River Register Certificate. Shipbuilding Ship Repair Company develops constantly, embraces new technologies, produces and supplies new types of marine equipment, upgrades and renews its own production facilities. Our mission is to provide maximum satisfaction of clients' needs by guaranteeing of on-time delivery of quality and affordable products. Manufacturing company, shipbuilding, ship repair.